Greenheck, building value in air.
Hello, I'm Gina from Greenheck. I will be showing how to change the blade pitch on the RA fan. By adjusting the pitch of the blade, you can increase or decrease airflow or pressure for optimal performance. You can also make these adjustments if your fan motor is overamping. Contact your local Greenheck representative to determine the new blade pitch required and to verify the motor has sufficient capacity to handle the new power requirements. Also, make sure you check the full load amps listed on the motor tag. As always, before you begin work on any fan, follow all lockout, tagout safety procedures. Make sure your fan's electrical supply is shut off and fully locked out before you proceed. The tools that you may need are a rubber mallet, an adjustable square, 2 different colored markers, a torque wrench with the proper size socket for your hub, and either a blade pitch protractor or a pitching tool. The protractor can be downloaded and printed from the Greenheck website in the product area for the RA fan. The installation manual may be printed from the same location. You will need to gain access to the propeller side of the fan. This may involve dismantling ductwork or removal of the fan for easy access. Note that on the 533 hub size, the fan contains an inlet cone. This requires an additional 7/16 inch socket wrench. Remove the bolts and cone and set them aside. Use a square to mark a straight reference line on the inside of the housing. Beginning at the tip of the blade, use a marker to scribe the profile of the blade from the leading to the trailing edge of the blade tip. Place the pitching protractor between the blade and the housing. Square it up with the line marked, then secure with tape. Loosen the bolt or nut of the blade to the point where it can be adjusted by tapping lightly with a rubber mallet. Adjust the first blade to the desired pitch angle. Snug the adjusted blade by tightening the bolt and remove the pitch protractor. Use your second colored marker to trace the new profile as a reference for the remaining blades, or repeat the previous process for each blade. Adjust each blade to the new pitch profile. After checking each blade pitch, snug each bolt. If a pitching tool is available at the required angle, it can be used instead of the pitch protractor. Align the side of the tool with the reference line as shown, and adjust the blade until it is flush with the arm of the pitching tool. Tighten each propeller bolt to the appropriate torque spec as stated in your installation manual. If using the 533 hub, reinstall the inlet cone and tighten the bolts to the torque specified in the installation manual. Now you are ready to reinstall the fan or the ductwork pieces that were removed. Be sure to review the operation and startup procedures listed in your installation manual. After startup, make a final check of the motor's full load amps. Thank you for choosing Greenheck, and we look forward to working with you in the future.